Got some massive news for Broadcom stock investors as there was a deal announced with OpenAI that could be worth billions of dollars. In this video, I'm going to highlight what this could mean for Broadcom stock investors and update my buy or sell recommendation after sharing with you my fair value calculation.
I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So Broadcom stock is up over 10% today as OpenAI announced on Monday that it has entered into an agreement with Broadcom that will see the two co-develop up to 10 gigawatts of AI accelerators. The announcement just comes just a week after OpenAI announced a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deal with AMD that will see the chipmaker provide OpenAI with up to 6 gigawatts of AI processors. And just as an estimate, each gigawatt of AI processor could be worth as much as $10 billion. So 10 gigawatts of AI accelerators could be worth as much as $100 billion. And of course, this is going to be over a multi-year period. Of course, a lot of investors and a lot of market participants are questioning OpenAI's ability to make good on all of these deals it's been signing. It's been on a flurry of deals, signing big deals with signing big deals with Broadcom, AMD, Oracle, Nvidia, etc., worth tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars over these previous few months. The market is questioning OpenAI because the company is losing billions of dollars on the bottom line, and it's still in the very early stages of monetizing its large language model and other products that it's delivering to the markets, mostly for free. And so investors are questioning how OpenAI is going to pay for all of these deals it's signing with partners like Broadcom, Oracle, AMD, Nvidia, etc. But companies are confident that OpenAI will have the money to pay these other companies because the revenue growth is phenomenal, weekly active user growth is phenomenal, and so investors are enthusiastic about OpenAI's growth prospects, which will have the company generate more revenue, which it can then use to pay for these deals, to pay for these products and services. So Broadcom stock is now up 9.5% on the day of this announcement. The stock is trading close to its 52-week high. It's trading at $356 per share. The 52-week high is $374 per share. The intrinsic value per share I calculated for Broadcom is $231 compared to the current market price of $356. Of course, this news is going to bring Broadcom more revenue, which is going to result in more cash flow. So this is likely to result in an increase in the intrinsic value per share calculation once I have time to digest the implications from this deal and incorporate the updated cash flow expectations. But I need more news, I need more numbers, I need more specifics surrounding this arrangement to then update my discounted cash flow valuation model. There is too much uncertainty surrounding the arrangement of this deal for me to incorporate it into this valuation in any way that's not a wide in any way that doesn't have such wide outcome disparities. And so I need more numbers, more specifics so that I can update. But I undoubtedly will know that the intrinsic value will increase. It's just a matter of how much will it increase after this deal. So Broadcom has been a huge beneficiary of this rising demand for artificial intelligence, the company securing many billions of dollars in deals as it relates to artificial intelligence. That being said, I've had the stock rated as a hold for several months now because of valuation concerns. Understandably, the business is excellent, strong revenue growth, great margins, great returns on invested capital, and Broadcom is one of the few companies that makes prudent acquisitions, most recently with VMware, and management is incorporating that into the business very effectively. So it's a great business. I would love to get it, but just at a lower price. This price right now is a little too rich for me for Broadcom business, so I'm going to reiterate my hold rating for this stock. Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce that my book is finally available for sale. I've been working on it for more than a year now, so I'm really excited to finally share this with you now. It goes through my framework for evaluating stocks. Some of you often ask why I like this stock or why I like the other stock, and this framework provides you the things that I look at when I'm evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.